If your phone takes forever to charge, your cable is probably the problem, not your phone. I switched to this USB-C to USB-C cable, and immediately I noticed the difference. There was faster charging, no overheating, and a way better quality. What I really love about it? Well, it's nylon braided and super flexible. Plus, it's designed for everyday bending, which honestly matters to me because cheap cables are always breaking first. Plus, it works perfectly with iPhones, iPads, MacBooks, power banks, basically everything that uses USB C. So I keep one in my desk and in my bag because honestly, I'm not scrambling for chargers. It's just one of those small upgrades that makes life easier. I definitely recommend it.